Hey, welcome back to Backwoods Florida Adventures. We're going to reset the trail cam back in the same area. If you guys have watched the last couple videos, we've been getting some pretty good stuff just for the short amount of time. Both of those videos were filmed over just a 2-week period. If you're going to do any kind of hiking in Florida, in any of these wilderness areas, you're going to need some waterproof footgear, and it should be comfortable. It's pretty wet. Glad I got my boots today. You just want to be careful you don't step over the tops of them. Alright, great. Man, no problem. Alright, check back with you in just a sec. As soon as we get down to the spot, I want to stop talking now because we might spook something if I don't shut up. So this is the area I've had my eye on a few times. And we got the main trail here. Big cypress pond I showed you a while back is there. And we got a pretty nice trail that follows that edge like we were talking about, right back through there. So I think we got a really good potential to catch some stuff crossing right in here. And I do see some hog sign. So I think I'm going to go ahead and set the cam up right on this tree right here. And we'll test it, see how the angle looks and if it's good. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera up higher so it's more out of the view from the animals. I might have to trim this branch up a little bit right up in here, but sounds like a gooder plan as any. So that's the setup. I did test it. I walked across the trail out there, picked up perfectly. This is a cheap camera. This is Reveal, and this is the Cam Park trail cam. Like 45 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave you a link. I didn't want to leave you a link till I knew it actually worked. And to me, it's working pretty good. I mean, the video quality, even though it says it's full 1080i, you can still see little pixeling in there. So I'm not sure if that claim is accurate or not. You can look at the video yourself and give me your opinion. I mean, it's clear, it's got good contrast, picks up audio really well, but I don't think there's no, I don't think the resolution is at no 1080. Or certainly not comparable to any other 1080 camera I have, including the one that I'm filming this right now on. So let me know what your opinion is on the video quality, but it is fun. This is like hunting for me. You know, I can't hunt in this area here, but I can certainly come back here and capture these animals. That's why I'm doing it. And every time you come to this camera, it's like open a Christmas present. Just fun stuff. Alright, so the camera's going to film us again, walking the hell out of here. But I'm hoping they're going to cross right in here somewhere. Catch them right here, or maybe even just come straight down this road. So, nice intersection. See what happens. And it's only about a 15-minute walk. That's good. Not as far as the last place. Whew. Man, I got my exercise on that one. Alright, so the camera's going to film us.
So Christmas morning, going out to check the cam. Fresh, all fresh hog rootings here. And this is right by the gate. They've been in here just today or last night. The camera's right where I left it. Got blackbirds messing around here. So, let's see what we got.